Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best home equity loans. What are the best home equity loans for you to use to get some additional money when it comes to your current and mortgage situation? That's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. And of course, if you want to check out any of the companies we mentioned here in today's video, check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best home equity loans and options when it comes to maximizing your current mortgage situation and the home that you have, right? If you want to get home equity loan. Now, first we're going to take a look at is this page done here in partnership with money.com. We rank and put together a list of the best home equity loans, as well as some cash out refinancing and HELOC options. But the focus of this video is going to be for the best home equity loans, as that is really a top thing that a lot of people are looking for. And our editors, we have selected the best cash out refinance and home equity loan providers. We've also looked at other ways to help you tap into your home equity, so you can use our reviews and comparisons to determine which option is right for you. And of course, if you want to get access to this page here, which is of course the most up-to-date list, you can check out that first link down below in the video description. That will take you right over to this page here, where you can see the most up-to-date list of the top home equity loans and options in your area as well. You can type in your zip code so you get matched with the best and top home equity loans in your local area as well. Now, first, of course, I do want to cover what is a home equity loan. Now, a home equity loan, essentially, if you're a homeowner, according to Forbes, planning to, renovate, purchase a second property, consolidate debt, or cover a major expense, a home equity loan lets you tap your home's equity for a lump sum of cash. But home equity loans, rates, fees, geographic availability can vary widely depending on the lender. So, which lender is going to be the best option when it comes to offering a home equity loan with terms that meet your needs? Again, that is one of the most important things, and that's what we're covering here in today's video. And kicking off this list, of course, at the top of our lenders list for home equity loans is none other than Rocket Mortgage. Now, Rocket Mortgage, you can get quotes in, pre-qualify quickly, and they offer home equity loans as well as cash out refinancing options. Now, they have low rates with a quick quote and approval, and you can save time on documents and paperwork, and they have variable rate lines of credit available to you as well, as just a wide variety of different options when it comes to tapping your home's equity. Right, so they also have the most originations in this list at over 133,000 loan originations, and they have over 34,000 Trustpilot reviews with an average Trustpilot rating of 4.7 out of 5. If we click at view rates at the link in the video description, that will take you right over this page here, where you can go through your goals, right, and guide you to the best options depending on your specific situation. If you want to go with a more traditional cash out refinance, or if you are buying a home for the first time, or if you want to use your equity, which is, again, most of you guys watching this video are looking for, a home equity loan. That is going to be, essentially you're going to select use my equity, and then you can go through and click through the process to get the most best options available with Rocket Mortgage. Again, they are one of the top loan providers, and they are a great option when it comes to securing a home equity loan. Moving in at number 2 on our list here today is AmeriSave Mortgage. Now, AmeriSave, you can find a home equity loan option that works for you. You can unlock cash from within your home, and they also have an online loan application process, and you can turn your home equity into the cash you need with over $100 billion funded and 21 years in business. They have a little less on the origination side of things, but they still have a pretty respectable Trustpilot rating of 4.5. If you click at view rates, you can see for AmeriSave Mortgage, it'll take you right over this page here, where you can select how much cash that you want. Again, if you're not looking for a cash out, you can just say like, okay, I'm not looking for a cash out, right? If you're looking for a home equity loan, again, it's a little bit different, but it can be an option for you, again, if you want to cash out or if you just want a regular home equity loan. Again, you can click out, I'm not looking for a cash out. You can say you want to refinance, take cash out, or buy a home. Again, you have all those different options there. But if you are going to actually just take some cash out and utilize your home equity, as a home equity loan, you can also do that here and select the amount of cash that you would like out of your property. Again, that is going to be based on property values as well, so do just kind of keep that in mind and how much you actually owe left on your mortgage. All these kind of things do go into it, and you can speak to their loan experts, again, available at the link in the video description. Moving in at number 3 in this list here today, we have is Figure. Now, Figure offers flexible terms. You can redraw up to 100% and borrow up to $750K. They have approval in 5 minutes and funding in as few as 5 days. And you can use it to consolidate debt or finance your next project. That includes 100% their digital app and online appraisal, and you do need to have good or excellent credit. And they do have a 4.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot. If you click view rates, that will take you right over this page here, where you can go ahead and enter in your information and find your specific rate through their 100% online application. You can get funding fast, and you don't have to wait for any kind of in-person approvals or appraisals, which can be pretty nice. So you can get the funds you need now and move forward with your life overall, right? So that's the process with Figure. Again, Figure can be a good option to unlock your home equity, whether it be for a home renovation, debt consolidation, or even new business ventures or whatever you want to do with your home equity. Again, you can use that however you like with Figure, again, in terms of their fast approvals, competitive rates, and up to 750K. You can do up to. So again, can be a pretty convenient, hassle-free way to go. And they have a variety of different options, again, for tapping your home equity. Moving along at number 4 in this list here today, we have is Achieve Loans. Now, they offer a fast fixed rate HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit. I have a whole separate video kind of going over a little bit more into HELOCs. If you want to check that out, again, just search HELOC on my channel, and you'll find that video. Again, kind of similar, but goes into a little bit different with the way that the lenders work for home equity lines of credit. Again, it's more like a credit card with that versus a home equity loan. It's a little bit different. Now, with Achieve Loans, you can lower your monthly payments and have competitive rates, and you can pre-qualify in minutes, and they have flexible terms with fast fundings, and they also have mortgage advisors are ready to help you. They do recommend you have at least a FICO score of 640 plus, and they do have a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot. If we click view rates, it'll take you right over this page here where you can select how much you want to borrow and see what you qualify for. As well, again, the benefit here with a home equity loan is that you can use the equity in your home to consolidate debt, lower your monthly payments, and reduce your overall stress. Again, how much you want to borrow. You go through, select the slider. Again, it can be a low fixed rate and get more money in your pocket, and select just a one easy monthly payment. Again, they have a pretty simple and fast online application process, and you can cut out some credit card debt. Again, it's going to be a lower interest rate with this type of mortgage, and that's one other way that you can utilize it too. Again, if you're looking to consolidate debt, that can be a good option with home equity loans. Something else to keep in mind when you're considering this as an option. Moving on, next in this list you also have is Unlock. Now, Unlock allows you to access home equity without taking on additional debt. They have no monthly interest payment and a fast and easy application process with flexible terms. You can access up to $500K with a home equity agreement. That's an HEA. You can click view rates to the link in the video description. That'll take you right over this page here. You enter in your property address. Again, you do need to have at least a 500 credit score, and you can get no monthly payments, of course, is making sure that in that process you can go through. Again, Unlock can be a good option. You can select it, see, and get pre-qualified today at the links in the video description if you want to check out Unlock. Moving on, next in this list we have is Aven. Now, Aven does offer HELOCs, which again is a little bit different. It's a home equity line of credit for FICO scores of at least 680. They do have credit limits from 5K all the way up to 400K in home equity. And again, it's a 100% online process. You can apply as easy in 15 minutes. And they do have a low HELOC rate guaranteed, or you get $250. And you can check your offer with no impact to your credit score. Click view rates to go to Aven, and it'll take you right over this page here. Again, all that they offer is home equity lines of credit. So if you're not looking for HELOC, I figured I would just mention them in this list here today because it can still be a decent option for those of you guys looking to tap your home equity. Can be another way to go about doing it versus a traditional home equity loan. Again, they kind of say it's better than a loan. Again, it's up to you to decide, but you can check your offer at the link in the video description. See if it makes sense for you. Check your offer and see if it makes sense. Again, checking your offer will not affect your credit score, so that's pretty cool. They do a soft pull which is a nice way about going things. And last but not least in this list here today is Hometap. Now, Hometap is home equity sharing, and they have no cash due at closing with no monthly payments necessary. And you can borrow up to $600K, and often 25% equity is required and no prepayment penalties. If you click view rates, it'll take you right over to Hometap, again, where you can tap into your home equity and skip the monthly payments. So they have fast funding, fewer hassles. All you have to do is enter in your zip code to get an estimate. And it can be a good option for you, again, if you want to pay off debt, fund an education, fund a life event, home improvements, small business, retirement, or just diversifying your overall portfolio. If you'd rather put that money somewhere else or invest it in other assets, again, that can be an alternative option when it comes to utilizing that home equity and satisfying that to-do list. Essentially, is what Hometap is all about, and it can be a good resource and a good option for homeowners. If that's something that you're interested in, again, for your home equity loans. Again, if you want to check out any of these companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. It'll be that first link in the video description. It'll take you right over this page here, where you can check out the most up-to-date list of the best home equity loans, as well as some additional options for cash out refinancing and HELOCs. Again, those are also included in this list. The main focus is the home equity loans. But again, you can check out this link at that first link down below in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.